Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best blue paper rolls available on the market.
The Pacon PAC63180 Rainbow Lightweight Duo Finish Kraft Paper Roll. If you're into arts, crafts, or just need high-quality paper for your projects, this might be exactly what you're looking for. First off, let's talk about what makes this paper roll stand out. It's a whopping 3 feet by 1,000 feet in size, which means you're getting a massive amount of paper to work with. Whether you're sketching, painting, or even using it for presentations, this roll has you covered.
What's really cool about this paper is its dual finish feature. On one side, you've got a smooth surface perfect for detailed work with felt pens and fine line drawings. On the flip side, there's a rough, toothy texture that's ideal for chalk, tempera, watercolor, and acrylic paints. It's like having two types of paper in one roll, which adds a lot of versatility to your creative projects. Now, let's talk about quality. This paper is acid-free and recyclable,
which not only ensures that your artwork stays vibrant over time but also aligns with eco-friendly practices. So, you can create with peace of mind knowing you're using a sustainable product. Imagine using this paper for large-scale murals, classroom activities, or even just for wrapping gifts in a unique way. The dark blue color adds a touch of sophistication to any project, making it suitable for both professional and personal use. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a versatile, high-quality blue paper roll that's perfect for a wide range of artistic endeavors, look no further than the Pacon PAC63180 Rainbow Lightweight Duo Finish Kraft Paper Roll. Its dual finish feature, size, and eco-friendly properties make it a standout choice in the world of art supplies. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.